Lite Cable started off as a fiber optic cable manufacturer about 30 years back in 1994. But over time, we actually transformed ourselves, which is why we are into POL these days. In addition, recently, we have actually gone further a step into acquiring projects on a build, operate, transfer basis in other countries. The country namely is Indonesia. We believe in fiber. We've been in fiber business for the last 30 years and we know the benefits of it. It's future-proof, it's scalable, and it's a simple architecture. And it's good for the big story of the ESG, whereby it reduces the carbon footprint. It helps to reduce the overall cost of ownership and is future-proof, ready for you to go beyond 10, 25 gig. I think the industry that are likely to take advantage will be manufacturing, education, and of course the hospitality industry, which we are talking about over here, hotels, tourism, as well as healthcare. If you have Wi-Fi 7 without the proper connectivity, without having it ready, future-proof, you're going to have issue. And this is something that you got to get your infrastructure ready before that comes. It's about generating a big part, and Wi-Fi 7 is connecting to more devices. And if you have more devices, you definitely need more bandwidth, especially in places whereby you have a lot of users. You have more and more gadgets or devices connected to it. I've said it before, we are very good in the passive part, and we need a good partner, which is Nokia over here, to help us deliver on the active. Together, we are able to roll out a very cost-effective, scalable infrastructure, POL for enterprises, in order to meet the growing demand. I'm looking particularly in a service industry like hospitality, which we are very focused into it. It's about customer satisfaction, guest experience, and you cannot afford not to have a good connectivity. You can do many wonders with that differentiation. You can increase your guest satisfaction and also enhance your property at the same time. We encounter a lot of challenges along the way. Like recently, we are looking at working with some hotels that has got a network legacy of which is called the coaxial cable, and we reach out to Nokia, and Nokia never fails to deliver. They will always have something up their sleeve, which is why I'm always saying that Nokia is not our preferred partner, but is the partner.